That's the sound of every jaw dropping within a 5-mile radius. What just arrived isn't a car, it's a rolling resurrection. The 2025 Mercedes 280 SL Restomod. It's not just reborn, it came out of the past with a vengeance. Smoking a cigar and laughing at your idea of cool. Look at this thing. Look. The body's still got that original W113 pagoda charm, but now it's shredded like it spent the last 50 years lifting weights and watching gangster movies. It's aggressive. It's elegant. It's like James Bond if he skipped the tux and wore a leather jacket instead. This paint? Not just silver, it's space-age silver. It's the kind of color that makes other cars go mute in its presence. Reflects light like it charges rent for every reflection. The front end? That grille, handmade, polished to perfection, and giving zero apologies. LED headlights that slice through the dark like they've got a grudge. You pull up in this thing, and even modern supercars nod in respect. The stance is perfect. Wide, low, planted like it owns every lane. Those wheels? Custom forged, of course. They look like they were designed by an angry artist in a wind tunnel. And don't even get me started on the brakes. They look like they can stop time, not just the car. Now listen, open the door gently. This interior isn't just leather and wood, it's a time machine wrapped in luxury. Classic looks, modern, comfort. The seats? Hand-stitched, probably by someone with white gloves and a French accent. Soft, buttery leather that smells like old money and bad decisions. The dash keeps the retro vibe alive, but don't be fooled. It's loaded. Fully digital cluster, hidden behind vintage-style gauges. Touchscreen infotainment, wireless charging, Bluetooth, voice control. It's got more tech than your phone, and more soul than your playlist. Touch the steering wheel, just do it. Thin rim, chrome trim, but it's connected to modern electric power steering. Responsive, tight, precise. You feel every inch of the road like the car is whispering secrets to you while eating pavement. But here's the kicker. What's under? The hood. This ain't no polite inline-six from 1968. Now this baby's packing a modern AMG-tuned 3.0-liter twin-turbo straight-six. Yeah, twin-turbo. We're talking 400-plus horsepower of pure disrespect. 0 to 60, around 4 seconds if you got the guts. Top speed? Limited, sure, but it'll push you into next week if you let it. And the sound? Forget it. It growls, it snarls, it sings operas in exhaust notes. This isn't a motor. It's a mechanical middle finger to mediocrity. Handling? Tight. Adaptive suspension, modern chassis tweaks, reinforced frame. You can carve corners like you're writing poetry with tires. It's smooth when you want it, violent when you need it. It's not just a cruiser, it's a street samurai with vintage drip. Now let's talk price. You ready? Custom Restomod like this? You're not walking away with this icon for less than $400,000, maybe more depending on who built it, how bespoke it is, and how many organs you're willing to sell. But let me tell you something. It's worth every penny. Because this isn't a car you own, this is a car that owns you. It controls rooms before you enter them. It tells stories before you speak. It's not about going fast, it's about going loud. This isn't just a Mercedes, this is revenge on time. This is elegance with fists. This is the 2025 280 SL Restomod, and the streets will never recover.